How to ignore group chat in Messenger. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Messenger application and choose the group chat that you want to ignore here. So let's say this group chat. Now the very first thing that I want to tell you is that there is no specific option that says ignore group chat in Messenger. So what you can do is you can swipe through that group chat and tap on more here and mute that chat until you change it. And then since you have successfully muted it, so there's no notifications coming from that group chat. For you to get rid of that in your chat section here, for you not to see that group chat, what you can do is you can set it or archive it. And as you can see, you have successfully ignored that group chat. So where to find it is you can see it on your archive section. As you can see, we have it here. Commonly, we just go here to your chat section, and now you have successfully ignored the group chat in Messenger. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.